What's going on, guys? Ramiro with DimBoxLED here. I'm just going to quickly run through what our website has to offer. First and foremost, we are an LED supply company. What we do is we offer conversion kits for any type of vehicle, all year, makes, and models. And let me show you real quick on our website here. If you go to dimboxled.com, this will be the page that comes up. And we do offer custom Instagram decals. Also do interior kits, reverse lights, license plate lighting, headlights, and fog lights as well. I'm just going to run through how to order on our website because I've been getting a lot of messages on Instagram about they place an order and then they're not sure if how to send the year, make, and model. And I'll show you real quick. Let's just do an interior LED kit as an example here. Our interior LED kits are about $12, free shipping always. And I'll show you an example of one of our LED kits here. But all you'll do is you're going to go to our website, dimboxled.com, find the interior LED kit or any other kit that you'd like. You're going to add to cart, of course, and then once you're ready to check out, this is an example for, I had an LED reverse light kit in here, but you would see the shopping cart here. And in this instance, you have the interior LED kit and a reverse light kit. It's going to be, the total says down here, $27, free shipping, of course. And then right down here where it says special instructions, you would type in the year, make, and model of your vehicle. All you do is hit checkout. That'll ping us, send us an email, let us know you placed an order, and we know for what vehicle exactly. We know which bulbs to send you, the correct bulb the first time. These are the reverse light kits depending on which bulb size. We have different sizes, or these are Cree, these are not Cree, but these are extremely bright. We have different sizes, they're all bright white, different sizes though, depending on your vehicle. We also have headlights here in stock. These are some orders that are ready to go out. And actually, I have my vehicle here in the garage. I'll show you what an actual interior LED conversion looks like. I installed it in my vehicle here, and this is what it looks like. So you see the bright white LEDs in here as well as in the back. And let me actually turn off the light in the garage so you can see this. There they are, guys, bright white LEDs. It looks clean, it looks nice. There it is. You can find these interior kits on our website at dimboxled.com. I'll put a link in the description below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram, dimboxled. We'll see you later. Have a good one.